Hello, pretty little bakers. Kelly here, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. We're talking summertime, people. Yeah, the weather outside is not frightful. It is getting more and more beautiful each and every day, which only means, hello, bring on the Sundays. Now, I can honestly tell you, every time I go to the grocery store, a new pint of ice cream just magically appears in my cart. I don't know how that happens. And when you have ice cream, you gotta have the toppings. Am I right? Now, hands down, my most favorite topping is the warm, thick chocolate fudge. Oh my god, I'm literally salivating as I'm speaking right now. So today, I'm gonna show you this stupid, ridiculously easy recipe on how to make homemade chocolate fudge. To make this homemade chocolate fudge recipe, you'll need 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of heavy cream. Super easy so far. I wish it was 1 cup of everything. Half a cup of unsalted butter. You want to cut it up into squares. It's going to be a lot easier to melt this way. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, using a medium-sized saucepan and a whisk, we're going to combine the unsweetened cocoa powder and the granulated sugar just until it looks like the two have completely mixed. Now we'll add the heavy cream and we'll turn the stove to medium. And we'll just stir it up. Oh my gosh, I swear that smell of chocolate is instant. And you're also gonna notice it starts to boil a little bit. That's a good sign. That means it's thickening up. Now this last part is kind of up to you. Whenever you feel it's the perfect amount of thickness for your liking, that's when you can go ahead and add the butter. Let the butter melt. Butter is completely melted. I'm just gonna finalize with a dash of salt. Time to turn off the stove. We can now add in the vanilla extract. Whisk it all up. Oh my gosh. Oh, can you smell that? Is it just me? It smells amazing. My friends, that is it. This fudge is, I'm telling you, it is so easy. It's ridiculous how easy it is. Now for the last step, and definitely the most important step, it's time to pour it over some ice cream. I literally can't handle this right now. Oh no. Is this real life? And literally, we just made this. It is so smooth and so creamy, and it's warm. I am just inhaling this ice cream and fudge. Oh my god, brain freeze. Ooh. Now if you didn't devour all of your fudge in one bite like I'm basically about to do right after I finish shooting this video, then you can definitely pour the remaining fudge into little mason jars. And fun fact, this fudge lasts for up to 3 months in the fridge. Literally the entire length of summer. And should you choose to put the fudge in a mason jar, when you're ready to eat it, just pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds and it'll be nice and hot and thick and perfect. My friends, I am cutting this video short because I literally cannot stand another second without more fudge and ice cream in my belly. And don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also check us out on our website at prettylittlebakers.com. I'll see you all next time, friends. Enjoy your fudge and your summer. Bye!